In the financial services industry, Huawei serves more than 300 financial institutions, including 6 of the world's top 10 banks. ICBC works with Huawei to develop the cloud-based next-generation IT architecture, enabling elastic resource distribution and improving IT systems O&M efficiency by tenfold. CCB uses Huawei's solution to migrate business systems from legacy mainframes to the open platform. This reduces the TCO by 60% and raises CCB's maximum service processing capacity from 80,000 TPS to 400,000 TPS. BOC leverages Huawei's VTM solution to provide interruptible remote video banking services 24/7 and improve the service processing capacity by 6 times. CMB adopts Huawei's Fusion Insight solution to enhance its big data operation capabilities, raising the customer conversion rate in small loan business by 40 times and contingent assets prediction accuracy by 100%. Credit query time reduced from 2 weeks to 10 minutes. SMS marketing success rate improved by 5 times. Russia Central Bank cooperates with Huawei to develop the Russian Federation's first national system of payment cards. The system bears 95% plus card payment and online transaction services, ensuring financial transaction security. Russia's largest commercial bank chooses Huawei's solution to optimize its legacy network architecture, reducing the network development cost by 50% and meeting business requirements for the next 5 to 10 years. Santander uses Huawei products to develop a standard, multi-play network platform that covers 3 global data centers and 5 national access branches, reducing the TCO by 30%. We hold the following beliefs. With seamless integration of digital and physical worlds, ICT will function as the fundamental architecture of building a digital world and gradually become enterprises' core competitiveness in the near future. ICT will be more pervasive in enterprises and play critical roles in decision-making, marketing, customer relationship management, and customer services. Digital enterprises of the future will serve society with better products and solutions by adopting innovative ICT technology, making the world better. Huawei Enterprise ICT Solutions, a better way.